Hello, this is Tom Gardner over at Jaguar Buffalo. We're going to be going into the navigation system in our Pivi Pro system in this all-new Jaguar F-Pace. Here in our Pivi Pro home screen, you'll have your navigation app. You have two different ways you can go ahead and put in a destination. You can actually click into the app, or you can come back over here and just go to this magnifying glass here, and it brings up a search address. When you want to type in a search address, we can type in any address here or any point of interest search for you to do, like a Starbucks or a bank or Jaguar Buffalo. Coming back out, you can get into your map screen. You can change your different viewpoints of it to a true north, to a 3D viewpoint, or to our traditional 2D. Bringing that back up, here's your search box. And when I come back over here as well, you can come back over to your search button using the magnifying glass. I hope you found this video very informative. If you have any questions, please stop in over at Jaguar Buffalo.